Hello, today we're going to show how the Lagenda B363 Helium balloon inflator operates. This is the model B363. There's also a smaller version that operates similar. So the machine comes with a plug, a foot pedal, a quick disconnect hose. The quick disconnect hose goes to your helium tank, has a gauge to show how much helium is in your tank. So when that's turned on, it'll jump up to show your tank pressure. This pressure gauge shows how much pressure is used to inflate the balloon here when you press, or you've turned this button on. Then you can switch between the counter and the time the balloon will inflate. Let's say we want it to inflate half a second. There's 0 balloons. When you press it once, it will go for half a second and show that you've filled 1 balloon. So let's fill the second balloon. And this will show the pressure. Notice the pressure goes down when it's on. A little bit. To increase the volume in the balloon, you just increase the number. You have to go switcher, so it shows the time, say 0.8. Go back to time. Now, it'll show more time. It'll fill it more. So it's almost a full balloon.